What's the deal? It's Randall.
And Jose.
And you already know where we at. We're at Modern Fix. It's 2021. You know, once again, Happy New Year. We got a lot of cool projects going. We got a few we want to show you today, so y'all stay tuned.
Yeah, we got a 2021 Hellcat Red Eye here. I wanted you guys to check out.
Yes, sir. It's the first Red Eye we have in the shop. It's owned by Drayway, one of the YouTubers in town. And so our man's getting some work done. We got some underglow going on there, some custom lighting, and some other things that we can't just disclose just yet. But we also got another Widebody Charger we're going to show you. That's real cool too, so let's check it out.
That's a 2021 Hellcat Daytona, correct?
Yeah, 2020 Hellcat Daytona, right. So let's check it out.
Woo-wee. Look at that mirror shine.
So as we come around the corner, as you see, you have a chrome wrapped 2020 Widebody SRT Daytona Hellcat. You know, Dodge gave this car a bunch of names. You know, I just said them all. This was actually a numbered car, so it's limited edition, one of the first runs that came out. He had it wrapped in the chrome. What we did all the custom lighting, you know, putting the icing on the cake, giving it that mod FX treatment. We'll show you some of the mods we did and we'll go from there.
So on this one we did the headlights, DRLs, the halos, grill lights, underglow. It's also got stars in the ceiling, right, man?
We got stars in the roof for the interior, and we also have a dash kit, so we'll check that out in a second too. So once again, it's a real wide body. So you have these OEM flares. You know, you got the wide body fitment wheels. You got them done in gloss black. Gives it some nice contrast. In the interior, the difference between a regular wide body and a Daytona, you're gonna have Daytona in the seats. So if you look in those seats, you have the Daytona, so it is a real Daytona. You look at the dash, it has a dry carbon fiber package. And if you look at the doors, as you can see, we hit them with that fiber optics in the doors, and we also have fiber optics in the headliner. So if you look in that big B real quick, you can see you have the red in the headliner as well. And so you got the twinkles, everything kind of color coordinates. We got a few more things we'll be adding to the interior of this car, but my man's doing it. So we'll just give you a quick walk around of the vehicle, show you kind of how it all came together. And it's definitely one of a kind. So with these cars, you definitely want to be unique. You know, don't be afraid to express yourself. This is our first time having a chrome car like this, a mirror finish car in the shop, and so it's pretty cool. It's been turning heads while it's in the shop, and I'm sure it's gonna turn heads while it's on the street as well. And so that's pretty much it. So definitely got a lot more to come. You know, thank y'all for staying tuned, staying down, tapping in with us, and we'll see y'all in the next one.
Oh, hold up. What happened? Randall always says something, now he gonna forget.
Modern FX TV be live, y'all know what it is. We'll be back.